Good morning, fourth graders. I am here to tell you what you need to do when it's time for you to do your hands-on math assignment. You'll get a paper that looks like this. This is the hexagons paper. And you can see it looks just like the paper we did before, except the numbers have been filled in on the side. So my job is to find out how many rectangles I can make with each number, the dimensions of the rectangles that I make, then list the factors, and then decide if it's prime or composite. Now, I hope you remember that prime numbers have exactly two factors, and composite numbers have more than two factors. So, to do the first one, I need 8 colored tile. So, I have my colored tile. I'm going to choose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I made my first rectangle. It's a 1 by 8. And I'm going to try to see if I can make a rectangle with 2 on each side, with one side of 2. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me show you what I've done. So I made one rectangle that's a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I made another rectangle that is a 2, 4, 6, 8, a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Could I make a rectangle with 8 if I have 3 on a side? So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used 8 tiles, but that's not a rectangle. Could I make a rectangle with 4 on one side? Yes, I know I can because I already did. This rectangle is the same as this rectangle, just turned around. And that's how I know I'm done. When I get to a rectangle that's the same as the rectangle I've done, it's just the commutative property in action. So that on my paper, I can see for 8, I've made 2 rectangles. I made a 1 by 8 and a 2 by 4. So I've recorded that much, a 1 by 8 and a 2 by 4. And I can list the factors. There's 1, 2, 4, and 8. Remember, I got the factors right from the dimensions of the rectangles. And then, since 8 has 4 factors, and 4 is more than 2, I know that 8 is a composite number, just like 12. I put the C for 12 because 12 is composite, more than 2 factors, and 8 is composite because there are more than 2 factors. So for each one of these numbers down the side, you're going to see how many rectangles you can make. You're going to record the number of rectangles. You're going to record the dimensions of the rectangles. You're going to record the factors, and you're going to decide if this is prime or composite. You only have about 20 minutes, so you can't waste a lot of time. You get right to work. If you have any questions, raise your hands, and either Mrs. West or I or Mrs. Lowry, some adult, will come and help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a good time.